Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a great opportunity from a State Bank of India and you should not miss this opportunity. So friends, State Bank of India is going to hire 5,000 clerks, okay, 5,000 junior associates. So friends, this will be the link which will be given in the description. So once you click on that, and then you can go for the registration process. But friends, before you start with the registration process, we will know what is the eligibility criteria. So friends, irrespective of how much you have scored in your graduation, the only condition is your age should be in between 20 to 28. Okay. So friends, you can be from any background, BTech, BE, BA, BBA, BCA, any background, it does not matter. Okay. And friends, their syllabus are also very much similar to what we are preparing for the IT job, like aptitude, we will have reasoning, and then we will have English, and one more subject will be added here, so that we will discuss. So friends, we will be discussing each and everything, and from each state you can apply. So irrespective of your languages. So friends, if you're from Gujarat, then you should apply for this particular job from Gujarat. Okay. So friends, we will see all those things in the advertisement. Before that, friends, the other link will be also given in the description. So this is the official website of State Bank of India, and where in current openings you can see the advertisement. So if you want to read the advertisement, then you can click here. You can select in English and Hindi. And if you want to apply online, then you can click directly here. So friends, let us look at the advertisement part. Okay. So let me make my video small. Yeah. So friends, State Bank of India recruitment of junior associates. Okay. Online registrations of application and payment of fees. So 27th of April to 17th of May. So friends, the last date to apply for this particular job will be 17th of May. That means you have another 8 days to complete it. Now, so let me search what is the eligibility criteria. So you must be able to see here the eligibility criteria, right? What is the eligibility criteria for applying to this particular job? So age limit as on 1st of April 2021. So you should not be below 20 years and you should not be above 28 years as on 1st of April 2021. Candidate must have been born not earlier than 2nd of April 1993 and not later than 1st of April 2001. Both days inclusive. Okay. Now, so friends, there will be some relaxation also in the ages. So if you are SC/ST, then so instead of 28, you the maximum age limit for you will become 33. If you are OBC, then it will become 31. If you are PWD general, okay, so then it is 10 years. Okay, PWD means if there is any disability kind of, then 15 years. Okay, and PWD OBC means 13 years. Okay, and ex-servicemen, disabled ex-servicemen. Okay, and widows, divorced women and women, judiciary separated from their husband and who are not remarried. So friends, so these are the relaxations of upper age, right? Okay. Now if you'll come down, then candidate seeking age relaxation. Okay, so this is not required for you. And friends, then you can go up and you can see the other criterias here, right? Okay. So fine. Now let us come little up. Okay. And yeah, so essential academic qualification, right? So graduation in any discipline from a recognized university or any equivalent qualification recognized as such by central government candidate having integrated dual degree, right? Okay, so friends, they have not talked about any of the percentage, so you do not have to worry about that, right? Okay, the second important thing which I will show you here. So friends, you can see the number of seats and accordingly you can apply. So if you are from Gujarat, okay, so state Gujarat, and if you know the language Gujarati, then there are total 902 seats are there. If you are from Bangalore, Karnataka, if you know Kannada, then you are having 400 seats. If you are from Bhopal, then including Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh, you will have 120 plus 78 seats. Okay, and then if you are from Bengal, then you can see West Bengal, Andaman Nicobar and Sikkim. Okay, so they all have the similar language. So if you know Bengali or Nepali, then you can fill from West Bengal, Andaman Nicobar, Iceland and Sikkim. Okay, the seats are, so in West Bengal we have 273 seats, and followed by Andaman Nicobar Island it will be 15, and Sikkim it will be 12. Bhubaneswar we have total 75 seats. Chandigarh we have total, you can see in Chandigarh, so Jammu Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Chandigarh and Punjab, because they have the similar kind of local languages. Okay, if you're from Chennai, then this is right. If you're from Delhi, right, so number of seats has been given. If you're from Maharashtra and if you know Marathi, then you have 640 seats. Okay, and friends, the salary is also very good for a clerk in State Bank of India. So your starting salary will be 35,000 plus approximate salary. And friends, if you get a promotion, then you will become PO in another 2-3 years, and then your salary will become directly 70,000-80,000 rupees. And friends, in State Bank of India you will be getting lot of perks. Okay, so you'll be getting the house rent, so almost 20,000 rupees extra you will be getting for your house rent and all. So State Bank jobs is very good job. So friends, just go through the your advertisement, and if you have any doubt, please put in the comment box, so we definitely try uh, to answer all your queries, whatever we know, right? Okay, and friends, do apply. So definitely there will be a fees to apply that. Okay, so you need to pay the amount, and then only you'll be able to apply for this particular job. So it is not like the IT sector jobs where you apply and you don't even get mail, right? Okay, now friends, let us look at the selection process. So friends, the selection process will consist of online test. You'll have prelims and mains, so you have to pay only once for your prelims and mains. It's not like you have to pay multiple times, and there won't be any interview for State Bank of India, right? Okay, so any clerk position there is no interview happening in India now. Okay, and test of a specific opted local language. So friends, phase one, you'll have the prelims exam. So online prelims exam consisting of objective test for 100 marks will be conducted online. This test would be of 1 hour duration, consisting of 3 sections as follows. So you'll have English language, same like IT, you'll have 30 questions, and definitely you'll be getting 20 minutes. Numerical ability means aptitude, 35 questions, and you'll be getting 20 minutes. Reasoning ability, 35 questions, and you'll be getting 20 minutes. Friends, these questions will be easy because clerk exams won't be very tough, and definitely there will be a negative marking as well. And mains examination, you'll have general English, aptitude, reasoning ability, and computer aptitude. Computer aptitude already you guys are very good at, so there is no doubt. And then we will have general or financial awareness for 50 marks. So friends, once you clear prelims, then definitely I will make you prepare for the mains examination, where general and financial awareness I will let you know how to prepare for that. So friends, this is again a good opportunity, and that too at the time of pandemic. So friends, utilize this opportunity, apply for this particular job, and if you get selected, then it's a very good job, because State Bank of India is one of the reputed bank in India. Thank you friends.